Hello everyone, it's your girl Abby, the relationship accountant. Are you a trader who's afraid of getting caught by IRS? Well, don't worry, I am too, and I'm actually a tax strategist. Well, I got you covered. In this video, we'll be discussing the top 5 IRS red flags that traders should be aware of. So sit back, relax, and learn how to avoid getting flagged by the IRS. Let's get started. Number 1. One of the top IRS red flag for traders is lack of proper documentation. If you guys know me, you know I preach the gospel: documentation, documentation, documentation. If it's not documented, it doesn't exist. It is important to keep accurate records of all your trades and transactions to avoid any issues with IRS. One of the things that I highly recommend is document your trades. Pull up your financial reports and review them, okay? Number 2, another red flag is failing to report all income from trading. I find that a lot of traders are not pulling out their 1099Bs from Robinhood, TD Ameritrade, E-Trade, Vanguard, whoever your broker is. By January 30th, what you do want to make sure is you pull up your 1099B. This is common mistakes among traders, but it is important to report all income, no matter how small, to avoid any issues with the IRS. Number 3 is failing to report all losses from trading, which realistically, I don't know why you wouldn't want to report all of your losses, but traders need to be aware of the rules and regulations surrounding losses and how they can actually use to offset gains and reduce your tax liability. You want to make sure if you are trading under your Social Security number, you can actually deduct up to $3,000 up to 7 years. If you're trading under an LLC or TTS status and you elect mark to market, then you are taxed as ordinary tax. Number 4, claim excessive deductions. Remember the rule: if the expense is not ordinary and necessary, you can't deduct it. So you want to make sure that you do your DDs, your due diligence, and make sure that those deductions, right, are actually ordinary and necessary. Finally, the biggest red flag is failing to report any foreign accounts or assets. It is important in your tax return that you do report your foreign accounts or assets to the IRS to avoid any issue with tax evasion. If you like this information, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for our next class. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.